it's really an investment because if you have an iPhone, you feel me? It's like a tape measure. Guys, I'm so excited. Galing ko lang from school and nag-potfit kami kaya medyo dugyot talaga ako. And oo, ito yung suot ko. Hindi ko rin kung bakit. But yeah guys, this is an investment for me. Let me show you my power bank before. Ito yung power bank ko before. It's from Yubao, guys. And tingnan nyo, parang sasabog na siya. Like ayan o, super, hindi siya kita sa camera. Basta yeah, ang taba na niya. Like, hindi na siya normal. Parang, sasabog na siya anytime, anywhere, ganun. Guys, hindi talaga, like, wala akong, ayoko lang, parang nakakatakot bumili ng cheap na power bank. Kasi like, wala mo sumabog, ganun, right? This one, it's from Orashare. Cute, it's so cute, it's so cute. It's 20 watts. And it's yellow. Parang siyang taho. Oh my god. Parang cheese and matcha pala. Okay, I'm gonna try it on my phone. Teka lang. It works. And it has like this hook na rin. And it has retractable tape. Retractable. Ewan ko ba ito? It's so long. Ito yung dala ko. It's so heavy. Okay, bye.